Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check engine temperature in your Jaguar XF. First, locate the temperature gauge on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. This gauge provides a quick visual of your engine's heat level. Understanding its normal range is crucial for preventing issues. We'll cover what a healthy reading looks like and what to do if it's too high or too low, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. When your engine is at its optimal operating temperature, the gauge needle should typically sit around the middle mark. If the needle climbs towards the H or red zone, it suggests your engine is overheating, which requires immediate attention. Conversely, if it stays consistently low, it might indicate a faulty thermostat, preventing the engine from reaching its ideal temperature. Many Jaguar XF models also offer a digital temperature display, providing a more precise reading. You can usually access this through your vehicle's infotainment system or the instrument cluster menu. Navigate to the Vehicle Information or Diagnostics section to find the exact engine temperature in degrees. This digital readout can offer valuable insight beyond the analog gauge. If you notice your engine temperature is abnormal, especially if it's overheating, pull over to a safe location immediately and turn off the engine. Allow it to cool down completely before attempting any checks. Never open the radiator cap on a hot engine. For any persistent temperature issues, it's always best to consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.